With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends. So in this question it is given to me that by the principle of mathematical induction prove that for all natural numbers n the following statement are true. Okay, so let's solve the first statement. The first statement is given what? That 2 plus 4 plus 6 and so on plus 2n is equals to n plus 1. So we have to prove LHS equals to RHS. Okay, so by the mathematical induction we have to prove. Okay, so what we will do here for the n equals to 1 I will prove it first. Okay, so here my RHS, my LHS is 2. Now my RHS, at the place of this you have to put 1. So when you put 1 here, so 1 plus 1, I am getting 2 here. It means my LHS is coming equals to RHS. So for n equals to 1 the statement is true. For n equals to 1 is true. Okay. Now if I check for my n equals to k. So for n equals to k, at the place of n I have to put k in this equation. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 and so on plus 2k equals to k plus 1. Okay. Now let's assume that it is true for the n equals to k, and if it is true for the n equals to k, then I am taking n equals to k plus 1. Okay, I am proving for this also. So here what I will do, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus so on, plus you have to write one more term before this. It means that here I am writing this term by putting the value of n. By putting the value at the place of n, I am putting k plus 1 in this equation. So what you will get? 2 into k plus 1 and plus my last term. Okay, equals to, here this term will come. It means its before term will come when you put k plus 1. Here I am putting k plus 1. So k plus 1, k plus 2 plus this last term which is k plus 1. Okay. Now from the equation 1 you can see that at the place of 2 plus 4 plus 6 and plus 2k, what we have to put? I will put k plus 1. Okay. So here for LHS I am talking about, I will put k plus 1. Okay, at the place of this and this I got the value, and this value is 2k plus 1. Now I have to prove this value equals to this term. Okay, this term is what? This term is when you take k plus 1 common from this term. So you will get k plus 2 plus k. Okay, which is what? K plus 1 and 2k plus 2. Okay, so you have to simplify this term now because I have to prove this term equals to RHS. So here it is k. You can take k plus 1 common. So I will get k plus 2. Okay. Okay, actually this side we don't take this term. Here what I have to, I have just put k plus 1 in this value. So I got this value, by chance I have added this. Okay, don't consider this. So here you will not write this term. Basically you are getting k plus 1, k plus 2, and here also I am getting k plus 1, k plus 2. It means what? That my LHS is coming equals to RHS. So here I am getting that my for n equals to k plus 1, the statement is true. So for n equals to k also, the statement will be true. Okay. Now for the B part we have to solve. So you can see in the B part it is given 1 plus 4 plus 7 and so on plus 3n minus 2 equals to 1 by 2 n into 3n minus 1. Okay. Now I have to solve this question for the second part. So by similar procedure, now I will prove here also for n equals to 1. Okay. So in my LHS, it is given 1 as you can see here. And for my RHS is 1 by 2 n 3n minus 1. When I will put n equals to 1 in this part, so 1 by 2 into 1 and 3 minus 1. So what I will get? 2 by 2. 2 by 2, it means it is equals to 1 only. So my LHS is coming equals to RHS. It means what? That for n equals to 1, the statement is true. So check for n equals to k. At the place of n, I have to put k. Okay. So what I will get? Here the statement is, you can see here, 1 plus 4 plus 7 and so on plus 3k minus 2 equals to 1 by 2 k 3k minus 1. Okay. So we have to assume that for n equals to k is true. Okay, for n equals to k, the condition is true. So now we will solve for the n equals to k plus 1. So when I will put n equals to k plus 1, so I will get 1 plus 4 plus 7 and so on. I will write this term 3k minus 2. Now I will put k plus 1 here. So 3k plus 1 minus 2 equals to, here you have to put k plus 1. So 1 by 2 k plus 1, 3 into k plus 1 minus 1. Okay. So here what you will get? 1 plus 4 plus 7 and so on. 3k minus 2 plus. Here it will be plus 3k plus 3 minus 2. So I will get 3k plus 1 equals to 1 by 2 k plus 1, and from this I will get 3k plus 3 minus 1 it is. So I am getting 3k and plus 3 minus 1 will be plus 2. Now what you have to do, you have to prove your LHS equals to RHS. Okay. So this is my RHS. You have to prove your LHS equals to this term. Now this quantity from this part, you can see it is equals to what? 1 by 2k 3k minus 1. This value is equals to this term. So I will put the value here. So 1 by 2 k 3k minus 1. Okay. Plus this term which is 3k plus 1. Okay. So what you can take something common, or I will multiply this term. So here let's say I am multiplying by 1 by 2. I am taking LCM. Okay. So here what I will get? K 3k minus 1 plus 3k plus 1 multiplied by 2 upon whole 2. Okay. So I will get what? Here it will be k 3k minus 1, and here when you multiply 2, it is 3k into 2 also. Okay. Plus 2 upon whole 2. Okay. So here when you multiply it, so 3k square minus k plus 6k plus 2 upon whole 2 and 3k square plus 5k plus 2 upon 2. Now you have to factorize this term. Okay. So you can break it in parts. So I am breaking it, breaking 5k in 3k plus 2k plus 2 upon 2. Okay. So let's see what we will get. Here 3k will be common. So I am getting k plus 1 plus, here it will be your 2 will be common. So k plus 1 upon 2. Okay. So here I can write what? 3k plus 2, k plus 1 and 1 by 2. You can see it is same term as given in your RHS. It means what? That your LHS is coming equals to RHS. Now for the third we have to solve. So your third part is given what? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on, n cube equals to 1 upon 4 n square into n plus 1 whole square. So first you have to check for n equals to 1. Okay, so my RHS is equals to 1 upon 4 n square n plus 1 whole square, and my LHS is 1 cube as you can see here. Okay, so here when I am putting n equals to 1, so 1 by 4 into 1, 1 plus 1 whole square, it means what? That 1 by 4 into 2 square, which is 4. So I am getting 4. RHS is also 1, LHS is also 1. It means for n equals to 1, this condition is true. Now assuming that statement is true for n equals to k also. Okay, so at the place of n I am putting k. So what you will get? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on plus k cube equals to 1 upon 4 k square k plus 1 whole square. Okay, we have assumed that for n equals to k, this condition is true. So we will prove the statement for n equals to k plus 1 also. Okay, so my n equals to k plus 1, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on plus k cube plus, when you put k plus 1, so you will get k plus 1 cube equals to, here also you have to put k plus 1 at the place of k. So what I will get? 1 upon 4 k plus 1 whole square, and here I will get k plus 2 whole square. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to prove your LHS equals to RHS. This is my RHS. Okay, you have to prove LHS equals to this term. Now this is my first equation. So from first equation you can see what? That my this term, okay, same like this term is equals to this term. So I will put the value here. 1 by 4 k square k plus 1 whole square plus k plus 1 cube. Okay, so here we can simplify it. For simplifying, what I will do, I can take k plus 1 square common. Okay, first I am taking the LCM. So k square k plus 1 whole square plus 4 k plus 1 whole cube upon 4. Okay, so you can take k plus 1 whole square common. So my k plus 1 square will be common. I will get k square and 4 k plus 1 upon 4. K plus 1 whole square is common. Take 4 also out. So it is k square plus 4k plus 4. Factorize. We have to factorize this term so that we can get the solution. Okay. So here now we will get k plus 1 whole square equals to 4. When you factorize this term, so k square plus 2k plus 2k plus 4. Okay. K plus 1 whole square upon 4. Now from this term you can take k common. So I will get k plus 2. Similarly I can take 2 common. So k plus 2. Okay. So I am getting k plus 2, k plus 2 and k plus 2, k plus 2, it means what? K plus 1 whole square upon 4. So here I will get k plus 1 whole square and k plus 2 whole square, and it is 1 by 4. Okay, so my LHS is coming equals to this term, and my RHS is what? My RHS you can see here 1 by 4 k plus 1 k plus 2 whole square, same term. Okay, it means that my LHS is equals to RHS. So this statement is true for n equals to k plus 1 also. Okay, so I hope you understand the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.